Welcome to this tutorial. How to resize an image for sharing online. Are you looking to share an image online but not sure how to resize it? In this video, we will show you how to easily resize an image for sharing online. So let's get started and make sure your images look their best when shared online. Click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left and type Paint. From the search result, click on the Paint app to open it. Click on the File menu and then click on Open. Select an image from the computer and click on the Open button. Click on the Resize option from the top toolbar. In the Resize box, select a radio button of your choice for how you want to resize an image. Here, I am selecting the radio button of percentage. I changed the value from 100% to 35% and clicked on the OK button. This will resize your image. Click on the File menu at the top left and then click on Save As. Click on the JPEG from the sub-menu. Give a file name to your resized image and click on the Save button. Close the Paint app. Now, we will see some steps to resize an image by using an online tool. Type picresize.com in the web address bar and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Click on the box of Select Picture and select an image from your PC to open it. Click on the Continue to Edit Picture button. Click on the Crop Selection button and drag it to select an area. Scroll down to Resize section and click on the drop-down to select a new size. If you want to add a frame border, then select it. Select an image format to save, as I have selected JPEG. Select the image quality and then click on the I'm done, Resize my picture button. Click on the Save to Disk icon. You can now save this resized image on your PC. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching!